Okay, so good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the network protocols and security for software engineering. So in today's interconnected world, no, network protocols and security play an important role in ensuring smooth and secure communication across digital networks. No? Because network protocols define the rules and convention for communication between network devices, while security measures protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber threats. So without robust network protocols and security, the integrity and confidentiality of data could be at risk, no? Impacting individuals and even national security. Because network protocols are set of rules that govern how data is transmitted, no? Received and interpreted across a network. So these protocols enable different devices such as our computers, our routers, and our servers to communicate effectively. So the most common network protocols include the Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol or the TCP/IP, which serve as foundation of the internet, and the Hypertext Transfer Protocol or the HTTP or the HTTPS, which facilitate web browsing. No? So other key protocols include file type protocol, the FTP for transferring files, simple mail transfer protocol or the SMTP for email communication, and domain name system or the DNS for resolving domain names into IP addresses. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Thank you po, sir. Network protocol and security. Network protocol is a set rules that define how data is formatted, transmitted, and received across a network. This protocol is able to communicate between devices regardless of different underlying structure of standards. Without protocols, seamless connectivity and functionality of the internet would not be possible. Next is the network protocol and their security mechanics are fundamental to ensuring effective communication and safeguarding data across network. Below in the overview key of word and widely used network security for protocols. So what are a network security protocol? Network protocol is a set of rules that define and how formatted and transmitted and received across the network po. Then introduced to the network protocol definition. Network protocol is standard rules of enable communication between between device on network, ensuring data transmit and occur the security. Importance, facilitate communication across diverse device, ensuring interoperability, complex network support secured and efficiently data exchange. So, type of network of protocol. First is communication protocol. Protocol govern the transmission of data between devices. Example, we have a HTTP, HTTPS, um, enable to web communication, and encryption for security, TCP/IP, um, reliable connection oriented to protocol, the SQL, the data transmission, and UDP. Connection protocol for fast, less reliable communication. And we have a FTP na tinatawag nating file transfer protocol, facilitate file sharing between server. UDP naman, yung user data gram protocol is lightweight protocol for fast connectionless community. And tinatawag po nating WebSocket. Dito po is gumagamit tayo dito ng real-time. For example is yung real-time chat. Yan. Kung paano tayo nakakapag-send ng message sa another client po. So, next is management protocol is used for monitoring and controlling network operation. Example, SNP. SNP is simple network management protocol, a standard protocol used for managing network device connected over IP network, allowing device to communicate regardless of hardware and software. So SMP enable network device Dito natin makita si router, si printer, si server, and etc. to sharing information with the network management system. ICMP send error message and diagnosis connected problem. Si ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, a crucial tool for diagnosing and promising network network performance. ICMPs transmit error message operational information across the network and power tool like ping and trace route for network diagnose. And next is security protocol. Security protocol is ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticate of data. Dito is we have a SSL or encryption internet communication to protect sensitive data and IPsec. Secured VNP connection with encrypt tunnel. SSH enables secure remote access. Excuse me po. Enable to secure remote access to device. Um, yung SSS is kadalasan po is nakikita po natin siya. Correct me if I wrong po, Sir Marmelo. Kadalasan is nakikita po ba ito sa hosting and web hosting sa domain, yung package po nila yung SSL. So, yun. Next is network security overview. Protecting network infrastructure from unauthorized access, misissue, or theft. Why it matter? Increasing threat like data breacher and cyber attack demand robust security measurement and critical and safeguarding sensitive information in the business, healthcare, and financial system. Key network to security protocol, transport layer security, um, network security protocol is essential for safeguarding data, ensuring to secured communication across network. Below are some most widely used network security protocol and their functional. We have, I think, Internet Protocol Security. We have Operation and OSI Layer 3 or Network Layer. Dito din is secure IP communication by encrypting and authentication data packets and commonly used to VPNs, virtual private networks, to create the secure tunnels data for data transformation. So, and next is Secured File Transfer Protocol, SFTP. Protect file transfer using public key encryption and authentication. Then VPN, ito yung VPN is virtual private network, uses protocol like IPsec to create secure tunnel over public network. A private virtual private network is a technology that establishes a secure encrypt connection between user device and remote server over the internet. The connection are create the private for data transformation, ensuring privacy, security, and anointing when accessing online resources. So what does a VPN do? Encrypt data. VPN encrypt inter-traffic, making an unreadable or unauthorized user such as hacker or ISP. Kadalasan dito sa VPN is ginagamit natin siya for connecting another server. Um, you're playing mobile games. Then ay wait. For example, nanonood ka po ng anime. So, si Crunchyroll is hindi na po niya inaalaw yung Philippines na manood sa Crunchyroll because of piracy. So, ginawa po nila, may isa pong na gumawa ng VPN para mapanood po natin yung Crunchyroll. So, gumamit po sila ng iba't ibang uring server. Yan. Then, para makapaggamit tayo ng mapanood natin yung anime na using that virtual private network or VPN. So Kerberos is provide secure authentication using ticket within a single on framework. Kerberos is network authenticate protocol designed to secure where the identities of user and service in a client server environment. It uses secret key cryptographic and trusted third-party system to protect credentials from interception or ensuring to secure communication over untrusted network. So, challenge in the network security, vulnerability in protocols, ICMP, ICMP recognizes attack involving cyber threat such as phishing, DDoS attack, and malware, balancing security with performance and usability. Then, what is the best practices for implementation secured network protocol? Use encryption for all sensitive communication, then regularly update protocol to patch vulnerabilities, and employ the factor authenticate alongside secured protocol like SSH or Kerberos. Then last is monitor network with the management protocol like SMP to proactive troubleshooting. Then the conclusion is network protocols serve as the backbone of modern communication system, while network security protocols are safeguard again ever evolving cyber threats. A strong understand of this protocol is essential for building resilient digital infrastructure in today's interconnected world. And these lectures provide a foundational understanding of network protocol and their rules ensuring secured communication across digital system po. So, yun lang po yung ang topic for network protocol security po.
Okay. Uh, Network protocols can be categorized into three main types. No, the communication protocols, the security protocols, and management protocols. So communication protocols include TCP/IP, UDP, and ICMP. No, which are responsible for data exchange. No, security protocols such as secure socket layer, no, uh, IPsec and secure shell provide encryption and authentication to safeguard data transmission. And lastly, management protocols like simple network management protocols and address resolution protocol help manage and troubleshoot network operations. Network security is essential to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber threats that could compromise sensitive information. With the rise of cyber attacks, no, organizations must implement strong security measures to protect their networks from malware, phishing, and denial of service attacks. No? And other threats. No? Network security encompasses various techniques such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention system, virtual private networks, and endpoint security solutions. Okay, so cyber criminals employs various attack techniques to exploit network vulnerabilities. Common cybersecurity threats include phishing attacks, where attackers impersonate legitimate entities to steal user credentials. So malware, which include viruses, worms, and ransomware that manage or steal data. And distributed denial of service attacks, which overwhelm network resources to disrupt services. Advanced persistent threats and zero-day vulnerabilities also pose a significant risk to networks and require proactive defense mechanisms. Now, encryption is a fundamental security measure that protects data by converting it into an readable format that can only be deciphered, no, by authorized users. So secure encryption protocols like SSL and TLS are widely used, no, to secure online transactions, no, email communications, and data transfer. End-to-end encryption, no, in messaging application ensure that only the sender and recipient can access the content of the messages. Same in Facebook, no? And preventing eavesdropping or intercept by malicious actors. So, now, how will be able to enhance, no? Again, no, to enhance network security, an organization must implement best practices, no, such as regularly updating software, hindi pwedeng pirated, and firmware to patch vulnerabilities, no, enforcing a strong password policies, and using multi-factor authentication for additional security layers. So, network segmentations where networks are divided into isolated segments can limit the impact of potential security breaches. No? Additionally, an employee training on cybersecurity awareness helps reduce human-related security risks. So, as technology evolves, network protocols and security measures, no, must adapt to new challenges. The rise of the Internet of Things, 5G networks, and cloud computing present new security concerns that required innovative solutions. Of course, artificial intelligence and machine learning are increasingly being used by enhance or used to enhance threat detection and response. No, the implementation of blockchain technology and network security can also improve data integrity and authentication mechanism. So, therefore, network protocols and security are essential components of modern digital infrastructure. So, through understanding different network protocols and implementing robust security measures, an individuals or an organizations can protect their own network from cyber threats and ensure reliable and secure communication. As cyber threats continue to evolve, staying ahead, no, with proactive security strategies and technological advancement is critical, no, for safeguarding the digital asset. Okay?